Has your tenant tarnished or trashed your property and you have no idea what to do about it? We've got you covered with the following steps. Step 1. Deduct funds from the tenant's security deposit. Did you draw up a tenancy agreement before your tenant moved in? In the agreement, did you take a security deposit from them and state that this could be taken away from them if they damaged anything? If the answer to all of these questions is yes, issue the tenant with a written document and deduct funds from their deposit appropriately. If the answers to all of these questions is no, then it is your responsibility as a landlord to protect yourself by writing up a tenancy agreement and asking for a security deposit. There won't be much you can do unless the tenant has caused severe or a large amount of damage. Step 2. Evict the tenant. Has your tenant caused serious damage to your property? You may be able to evict them if this is the case. If your tenancy agreement includes a clause that mentions eviction if the tenant damages the property so much that they can't use it properly, you may be able to serve a notice to quit on the tenant requiring that they leave the property. Step 3. Claim for compensation in court. As mentioned in Step 1, you can take funds out of the tenant's deposit so that you're covered for repairs if the damage was the tenant's fault. However, the deposit may not always be enough. If this is the case, you will have to file a claim in court for compensation. If the damages are less than £3,000, or you're happy to write off any amounts owed beyond £3,000, you can use the small claims court. You won't need a solicitor for this. If you wish to claim for an amount greater than £3,000, seek advice from a solicitor to find out what other legal options you have. Step 4. Go to the police. Contact the police if you believe that the tenant has carried out criminal damage on your property. Failure to contact the police could affect your insurance claim. The police cannot help you to remove the tenant from the property. Only an enforcement of judgments official can forcibly remove a tenant from the property, and this can only be done after securing a court order. Do you still have more questions about a tenant damaging the property? 24/7 Home Rescue are here to help. Give us a call on 01254 355 35 or visit our website at www.247homerescue.co.uk.